Travelers are tough folks to give gifts to. By default, they probably value experiences over things and prefer to pack light when going on trips to optimize for ease of movement. But don't worry, because there are many useful travel gifts that you can surprise your favorite jet setter with that won't end up returned or seldom used. In fact, I took a moment to consider common gifts for travelers. Trust me, I've received them all. And how to make them better and more beneficial for the modern globetrotter, so that your well-intended present will make the carry that. Number 1. Passport cover with an AirTag holder. A live genuine leather passport holder is a sleek and practical accessory for travelers designed to organize and secure your essentials. Made from premium genuine leather, this passport holder boasts durability and a luxurious feel. Its innovative design includes a dedicated AirTag slot, ensuring you can easily track your belongings. The wallet offers multiple compartments, providing space for your passport, boarding pass, ID, credit cards, and cash, making it an all-in-one solution for airport essentials. Stylish yet functional, the beige passport cover has a classic aesthetic that suits both men and women. This travel must-have also makes an excellent gift for frequent flyers, ensuring their journeys are organized and stress-free. Number 2. Portable travel steamer. Instead of buying them wrinkle-free fabric, get the traveler in your life a small, compact travel steamer. Wrinkle-free clothing sounds too good to be true, and in my experience, it is. It's more important to pack fabrics that feel comfortable against your skin, not synthetic fabric blends that don't breathe or wear well. This Jack & Rose travel steamer and iron has over 500 five-star ratings at Amazon, with shoppers saying it's easy to use and highly effective. But most important of all, it's compatible with varying voltages, ranging from 100 to 240 volts, so it's ready to be plugged in without a converter, no matter where you're headed. Number 3. Neck pillow with added support. Gone are the days of the basic donut-shaped neck pillows. Neck pillows have been re-engineered to support your head so you can sleep well on a red-eye flight. Plus, the ostrich pillow folds up and is packable. Unlike the traditional counterparts, you're forced to wear around the airport because they won't fit in your bag. It even won Best Overall in our editor's testing of the best neck pillows. It's made of memory foam and has added support to assist your posture so you don't wake up hunched over. Number 4. Wool blend compression socks. Socks are the ultimate giftable item. But instead of giving novelty socks this year, try a pair of compression socks to give your favorite frequent flyer. These socks are made with a blend of natural merino wool, so they're soft, incredibly warm, and breathable. Compression socks are all too often made of nylon or polyester or rayon, and I find synthetic fibers really difficult on my skin, said one shopper who wore these socks for business trips and gave them 5 stars. The wool makes them thicker and more comfortably padded. The compression also works well to keep my feet from swelling on planes or after long days of walking. If you're going to go compression socks for more than one trip, definitely splurge on a bit of wool. Number 5. Hanging toiletry bag with clear compartments. BagSmart Toiletry Bag Travel Bag is a practical and stylish solution for organizing your toiletries, cosmetics, and travel essentials. Made from water-resistant material, it ensures your items remain safe from accidental spills and moisture. This medium-sized bag is spacious enough to accommodate full-size containers, shampoos, and other travel necessities, making it an ideal choice for vacations, business trips, or daily use. The bag features multiple compartments, including mesh pockets and elastic loops, providing efficient storage and easy access to your items. Its built-in hanging hook allows for convenient placement on towel racks, shower rods, or bathroom doors, keeping your items organized and within reach. Compact and lightweight, the BagSmart Toiletry Bag fits effortlessly into suitcases or backpacks. Its durable construction and sleek black design combine functionality and elegance, making it a must-have for anyone who values convenience and organization during their travels.